And welcome back again. We've kept most of those showers and thunderstorms on off to our south and to our east today. There is a boundary right along the Gulf Coast that all this is firing along. That boundary will eventually move back to the north into our neck of the woods. It's going to take a little while though. So overall today, just kind of a nice reprieve from everything we've seen. We have some dry air that's trying to move on in as well. Unfortunately though, out to the west, this little spin going on over the Four Corners region is our next showers and thunderstorm system. It's going to be moving on through early next week, giving us a chance possibly for some severe weather on Monday. Tonight's forecast, though, will be in the lower 60s, mostly cloudy skies, mild. Maybe have some fog later on. Those winds out of the southeast, right around 5 miles per hour. And then for your Saturday, rain and thunderstorms kind of increasing from the south, really, and from the west eventually. So for the first half of the day, it'll be coming from the south. The back half of the day will be coming from the west as that other system does start to approach. Take a little time to get here. Highs for tomorrow right near 80 degrees, although this could change. Some of us could be a little bit cooler depending on where the rain is, how heavy and thick the cloud cover is. So there's a lot of variability in these systems over the next couple of days. Temperatures are pretty hard to predict along with all this. And then those winds out of the south, 5-10 miles per hour showers, maybe a heavier thunderstorm or two. Future radar showing it pretty well as we go on throughout the overnight hours. Most of that kind of dissipating, but again, a few scattered showers throughout the early morning. And then the back half of your Saturdays when we have a better chance at some of that going on into your Sunday. And again, Sunday starts to kind of impact us out to the west. And we are looking again at early next week for more showers, thunderstorms, or a better chance of it, that is. So we have a pretty big trough or dip in the jet stream right here. Sort of a low pressure showing up, one right here, one up in Canada. That's not impacting us. One on out to the west. Really not going to impact us as well. But this little guy right here is going to impact a good quarter of the southeastern U.S. And that unfortunately does include us. And we're talking the chance anywhere from 1 to 2 inches, localized heavier amounts than that as far as rain is concerned. Flooding is going to be a concern because, as you recall, the Mississippi River still under flood warnings. Many rivers around our neck of the woods are. And we're only going to kind of add to it as we go on throughout the weekend into early next week. And speaking of next week, Monday is our best chance at severe weather. There's a marginal risk for Sunday, pretty marginal right now. The best chance, again, is going to be on Monday when we have all modes of weather possible. You can see right now we are in a slight risk, barely, but we are in a slight risk. I tell you not to focus necessarily on the risk factor, the color of it, because as we've seen, we can have tornado warnings when we're in a marginal risk. So that's all something you got to take into account. But one thing with the system is there's lots of uncertainty right now. The models are not coming into agreement with it regarding moisture return and the profile of the atmosphere. So we're watching it pretty closely, although the timing right now is kind of nailed down. Between Monday morning and Monday afternoon is our best chance. So your weather is brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates for your Saturday and Sunday. Right around 80 degrees, 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms both days. We'll still be in the upper 70s for your Monday. Finally, we'll get into the 80s for Tuesday, lower 80s, mid 80s return for Wednesday as plenty of sunshine is here. Increasing clouds on into your Thursday, mid to upper 80s, and we'll cool on off as another front passes on through into the upper 70s for Friday of next week.